Tartar sauce is one of those condiments that goes with fish, and I've found over the years that people either really like tartar sauce or they dislike tartar sauce. In a minute, I'm going to share with you a very simple tartar sauce recipe I'm sure that everyone in your family will grow to love. Welcome to All Things Food with John Woods. I love to cook, but I cook to love. So let's talk food. So why do so many people dislike tartar sauce? I think one reason is that many people, when they make it, try to complicate it. And they put too many ingredients into it. Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, cayenne, and many other ingredients that I don't think really are involved. So I'm going to show you a very simple recipe today that I came up with over 30 years ago in one of my restaurants. And I still use that same recipe to this very day. Basic ingredients, you have mayonnaise, sweet relish, or you can use dill relish if you prefer, and onion. A couple other optional ingredients, seasoned salt, and some people like to put lemon, and I have no objection to that. So I'm going to put in about 2 cups of a good quality mayonnaise. Right there. I'm going to add about a cup of onions, just chopped, diced onions. And then probably about, we're going to wing this, but about a half of a cup of sweet relish. I know you're not supposed to do that, but I do it so many times I'm not too worried about it. And then I'm going to stir these ingredients together. And right there you actually have a very good tartar sauce. You can go with this. Some people would like to add a little more zing to it, and you can do that by adding just a little pinch of seasoned salt and maybe a little squeeze of lime juice or lemon juice. Mix it all together. Takes maybe 30 seconds to a minute to do that, and you have a really good tartar sauce for your next fish fry. In fact, when I had my restaurant, I'd make this every morning, and if I skipped breakfast, I'd put it on a saltine cracker, so I'd have tartar sauce and saltine crackers for my breakfast. I really don't recommend that, but it is pretty darn good for a little snack. So anyway, there's your southern tartar sauce. So if you have really good tartar sauce, of course you have to have really good catfish, and this is U.S. farm-raised catfish, the best in the world. And I'm going to put a little bit of that tartar sauce on my plate, and I'd like to mix it up a little bit with hot sauce every once in a while, and just kicks it up a little bit. So good. Really, really good. Thank you for watching All Things Food with John Woods. I love to cook, but I cook to love. This is part of our series on 50 ways to love a catfish. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And I'll see you the next time right here on 50 ways to love a catfish.